Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss about 8th standard science subject lesson 2 forces and pressure. Let us see about force. Do you know students what do you mean by force? Force is a push or pull which makes an object. Is an action of push or pull which makes an object moves. For example, opening a door, pushing the car, pulling the wheel. The force is given to one object. There are some changes in the object. The first one, the state of rest. Second one, the state of uniform motion of a body. Third point, the direction of the shape of your body. Conditions is given in the change of the object. Second one, the state of third one, the direction of the body. Then fourth one, the shape of the body. Do you know students? Force is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means it has both direction and magnitude. Vector quantity means it has both magnitude and direction. What is the unit of force? Newton. It is a symbol of capital N. So, the force is the SI unit Newton. It is the symbol of N. Next topic, thrust. Thrust is a force or a push. So, force acting perpendicularly of any given surface of a body. So, force extracted by an object perpendicular to the surface of the body. The thrust is vector quantity. Thrust also vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. Is a unit of Newton. The symbol of capital N. So, thrust is a force. So, force extracted by an object perpendicular to the surface of a body. Thrust is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. Thrust is a unit of Newton. Next topic, pressure. The amount of force or thrust acting perpendicularly on a surface of a body. Pressure is a force or thrust acting perpendicularly to the surface of a area on the body. So, pressure is equal to force by area. Pressure is equal to force by area. So, P is equal to F by A. P is equal to F by A. The SI unit of pressure is equal to Pascal. It is a symbol of PA. The French scientist named Blaise Pascal. It is denoted as Blaise Pascal. It is a symbol of PA. So, 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter per minus 2. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter per minus 2. So, force is the unit of Newton. Area is the unit of meter square, that is known as Newton meter per minus 2. So 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter per minus 2. I repeat, pressure, the amount of force or thrust acting perpendicularly to the surface of area of the body. So pressure is equal to force by area. It is a unit of Pascal. I do solve one problem. First, calculate the pressure extracted by foot of an elephant using the following data. Average weight of an elephant is 4000 Newton. The surface area of the sole of its foot is 0.1 meter squared. The average weight of an elephant 4000 Newton. So weight of one leg is equal to 4000 by 4 is equal to 1000 Newton. The area of the sole of one foot is equal to 0.1 meter squared. Pressure P is equal to force by area. P is equal to force by area. Force is the value 1000 divided by area 0.1 is equal to 1000 into 10 divided by 0.1 into 10 is equal to 10,000 divided by 1. So pressure is equal to 10,000 Newton by meter squared. Its answer is 10 power 4 Newton meter per minus 2. So the pressure extracted by one leg of the elephant is 10 power 4 Newton meter per minus 2. Next, increasing pressure. The effect of pressure can be increased by increasing the thrust or by decreasing the area of the surface of the body experiencing the thrust. So, the volume increases, the pressure also decreases. Suppose the volume decreases, the pressure also increases. So, pressure is directly proportional to 1 by volume. 1 by volume. So, pressure P and volume V is equal to constant K. So, PV is equal to constant. Pressure and volume is equal to constant. Next, atmospheric pressure. Next topic, atmospheric pressure. The amount of force or weight of the atmospheric air that acts downward on the surface area on the surface of the earth. It is known as atmospheric pressure. It is measured using the device is called barometer. The atmospheric pressure is measured the barometer. The barometer was invented by Torricelli. The barometer was invented by Torricelli. One barometer is equal to 1013 millibars. One barometer is a value 1013 millibar. It is a value 1.01 into 10 power 5 Newton meter per minus 2. So, one atmospheric pressure value is equal to 1.01 into 10 power 5 Newton meter power minus 2. Students, let us revise the today's topic. First one, force. It is the SI unit of Newton. Next one, thrust. Thrust is a force acting perpendicularly on any given surface area of a body. It is the SI unit Newton. It is a symbol of capital N. Third topic, pressure. Pressure is the amount of force or thrust acting perpendicularly on the surface of area. So pressure P is equal to force by area. The unit of pressure is the Pascal. So 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter per minus 2. Next, atmospheric pressure. So 1 atmosphere, that is known as 1 atm. Its value is equal to 1 lakh Pascal. Students, I hope all are understood this topic. Thank you for listening, students.